YouTube? It's your boy, your host, Rest God Dragon Squad, bitch. Yes, sir. Hey, I'm here with a supporter. What's your name again? Jeremiah. You see, you watch me since how long?
2017 at least, bro.
That shit's crazy.
I can show you my phone, like, let me show you. Bro, you know I'm not lying or nothing, like, I go to YouTube right now.
Nah, that shit is crazy. Like, I came all the way from fucking Virginia. I wouldn't have expected anybody to know me. That's actually pretty wild.
So, I watch, like, most of your reaction, like the NFL ones from,
Yeah.
I'm there, bro.
That
Full
shit
videos.
is crazy.
I'm there. I'm watching full reaction videos.
That shit is
Everything,
dope.
bro.
That shit is dope,
You
man.
gonna be here, bro. You the last person I expect to see. And I noticed you because your hair, and then
Yeah.
I know you Carter Grayson.
Yeah.
I know that, bro. I'm a real fan, man.
Yeah.
Just a really good YouTuber. Y'all boys should check it out, bro.
Thank you. I
One of my
appreciate it.
favorites, bro. Underrated, bro. He definitely deserves support. Big fan.